Okay, so I'm at the railroad crossing to rail van. Okay, this is pretty good. It's just a standard town with cars passing, and there's a train that's about to pass. 8:46 a.m. and I'm recording the train about to pass. What's that I hear? Do I hear the brakes of a train? I hear the horn. It's getting louder. Do you know what that means? It just bugged through. Lazy one. Oh look, it's a train. Oh my god. How long is this train? Holy crap. That's a long train. Wow. Okay, road crossing, shut up. The train is... You're holding traffic.